So Motorola just dropped a flip phone that looks straight out of 2030, and honestly, Samsung should be worried. This is the Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, a foldable with a massive 165Hz AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite power, up to 16 gigs of RAM, and a battery that actually lasts all day. Yeah, a foldable with good battery life finally exists. And the craziest part? The outer screen is basically a second phone. You can text, watch videos, run apps, even take selfies with the main camera without opening it. Motorola also packed in crazy fast 68-watt charging, premium materials, Gorilla Glass protection, and AI features everywhere. It literally feels like the old Razr grew up and became rich. But here's the plot twist. People love the design and performance, but some users are warning about durability and customer service problems long term. Others say the upgrades from last year are kind of small for the price. So the real question is this the best flip phone right now or just the prettiest? Comment flip if you'd actually use this as your daily phone.